Okay, now I'm going to show you All Spec Pro, a new rope from Rooster. A very, very great general purpose rope because it can do all sorts of jobs, all sorts of specifications. So what we've got here is sort of a 16 plat outer core that's quite easy to get into, and inside there is a 12 braided SK78 Dyneema, Rooster might call it Spec 12, in a core which you can splice. And it's a nice outer core that makes it really easy. So let's first of all just show you how easy it is to do a taper with it. So we'll do a taper on this line here, bunch up the outer core, tease the outer jacket off it, and you'll quickly realize how much easier this is than many other ropes on the market. Before we go too far, I want to make sure that I only pull from that end of the rope. So I'm going to put a pin in this end. So I've just kept it together. So this might be a jib sheet. You might be tapering a jib sheet. And you're going from the bit you hold in your hand, the bit you got in your cleat, down to the bit that you want to take to your jib sheet. You want to get rid of this bit. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, you've probably seen it many times, we're going to taper this line. In fact, I'm going to cut it first of all, cut it down to the part we'll finish the taper. And then we're going to tease out some of the braids to reduce the diameter of the bit we're getting rid of. As you can see, I'm almost down to nothing now. So I've tapered this line. I've now got to chop the Christmas tree parts off. And now I'm going to pass this line, the outer core, up the Dyneema 12 braid. I'm going to use this new fid that Rooster are selling, a Rooster Easy Splice pull fid. It's a bit more structural than many. It's a bit firmer, but easier to pass down the line than some. So we're going to come out as close to that bit of rope as we can. Feed these tails in, and whilst we're going to try and take the twist out of that as well as we go. There is my taper. I can probably afford just to snip that bit off now and milk the outer back. In fact, it was the inner, but there you go, there's your little join between the two. You must whip and lock this so that you can't pull that inner back out again. Okay, simple whipping and locking stitch. So here we have our finished All Spec Pro taper, where we've done a little whip with a few little stitches through. Probably overdone, but there you go, it's nicely done. And we have this product in 4mm, 5mm and 6mm in a range of different colours. You'll find them easy to use, easy to splice, effective because they've got SK78 inner core, so not very much stretch, and a very, very versatile piece of line. And that's why we called it All Spec Pro, because it's a really good all specification line. So if you've got any doubt about what to go for the particular purpose, you probably should tick All Spec Pro.